Yo, guys, you gotta check this stuff out.
Whoa, yo, okay, what?
So I got some like cough drops. Yo, take some.
Yeah. Where'd you get these from?
The guy like down the alley, back in the corner, like, yo, you gotta get some. That stuff is good.
Yo. Hey. Hey, you say you want some? Hey, I can't have anybody dirty here. Are you a cop?
Shit.
You a cop?
Yo, no, I'm not no cop. Yo.
Hey, stop laughing. This is for real, man.
Alright.
This is the good stuff.
Yo, really now?
It really is. So good. I snuck in here up my...
I think you know what this is. I think you know.
I am doing it. I'm doing it. It's me. What is going on? There's the squirrel on the roof, and we're worrying about... I'm more worried about... You point this gun at me. I'm your superior. You're my
You're the one that just
underdog.
shot the windshield. You're the one that pulled the trigger.
Oh, sir, no. You did it. I'm telling the captain you did it.
What captain? There's
And
no captain here.
I'm taking down the 350-pound one because I'm stronger than you. I'm stronger than you.
Where are you?
Yes, I am.
I'm gonna take the 271.
Have you been doing cough drops? You've been doing cough drops. What are you doing?
Oh. Ew. Guys!
FBI. Okay, we've had some disturbances lately.
Yeah.
You don't look a bit high, but that's okay. It's probably gonna be free, but we're gonna drug test you. This one is definitely high because he has cough drops in his nose. No, Holly, what is wrong with you? It's your first day. You don't get a shit already.
That's dirty. Come here. I got tape here.
Okay, yeah, he's trying to get some more. Stop. He bit me. Okay, there's more cough drops outside if you come to my cruiser. There's more cough drops? Yeah, let's go out to my cruiser. Yeah, there we go. Ew. Oh, I don't even know what he's doing. You want cough drops too? It's out here. I tried to get the cough drops, but I can't get in the car. Hey, Coley, stop that.
That's what I want.
Oh, hey.
In the car.
Hey, the other guy's messing with me. Hey, can you take care of him?
Yep. Tell me when to shoot.
No shooting, man. No shooting.
Why do you need a gun then?
For your protection.
Yeah, protecting the car.
What are you? Okay, you're going to interrogation. Okay? Don't think too weird, bro. I'm telling you. No, this way. Interrogation is this way. This is where you're going because of what you did. What? What are you doing? Stop.
Do you need the gun? Do you need the whole suit?
I'm fine. It's not bad like you. Daniel. I got Chaz. Hey, Captain, Childress and Montoya are coming next into the interrogation. Yeah.
FBI was here. Yes, that FBI, you idiot.